Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Marshall Major 5 from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. At the device list you need to click the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones. Now, at the right side we have a button what's called disconnect, and we need to tap this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your headphones and you tap at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones and you click at the forget button with this brush icon, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now I click on it, and if I go back, as you can see right here, I just stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but still have it at the device list. And if this headphones is turned on, I can easily reconnect it by tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!